The best type of beef stew is thick, saucy, cooks for hours, the meat falls apart, it makes your house smell amazing, and it's served with garlic bread. Let's make it. The most important part is avoiding lean beef for this. You want it to have some marbleization, otherwise it will be super dry and tough no matter how long you cook it. I use 2 pounds of boneless chuck roast. I like to pat it dry with a paper towel, season it with salt and pepper, coat it in flour, and the flour helps to thicken the stew as it cooks. I sear it for about 4 minutes on each side in a hot skillet with some oil. Then I take it out of the skillet, add some more oil if you need to, and add 1 large onion, lots of fresh garlic. Red crushed pepper is optional, about a tablespoon of tomato paste, some salt and pepper, 1 cup of red wine, and 5 cups of water or beef stock, but I recommend beef stock. I just didn't have it on hand. I then added the beef back into the skillet along with the juices, 1 tablespoon of that, and some rosemary and thyme, a bay leaf, a little bit of sugar. Bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, cover, reduce the heat to medium low, and cook for about an hour and a half. An hour and a half later, the meat should be tender, but not like super, super tender. Then add the carrots and potatoes, press them down into the liquid, and cover. Cook for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the carrots and potatoes are fork tender and the beef is super tender. Add the green peas, cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, season generously with salt and pepper. Give it a good stir. Serve immediately and enjoy.